Hi there, it's Denise, howtostayfitover50.com, How to Stay Fit After 50 with Denise Sanger on Facebook, and How to Stay Fit Over 50 with Denise on Instagram, and my Twitter, and my email. They're pretty much all the same thing. Anyways, I'm coming to you today to give you a review of this mascara that I was asked to try, and the reason I said yes, I get a lot of requests for me to try things because of the, we've got a large following on Facebook, and I'm really picky about what I agree to review. This company, I liked it because it's about empowering women as we mature, and I'll tell you exactly what it says here. Let me find it. Causemetics is part of the pro-age movement. I love that. I'm 60 years old now, so I love the pro-age movement because 60 today isn't like the 60 of when I was growing up, okay? I mean, y'all know I'm a fitness instructor. I'm always on the go. I teach yoga. I teach Tabata. Nothing has stopped me down at 60. Has stopped me, or has not slowed me down at 60. So I really like that they are empowering us mature women. So the thing with this mascara, I did put on my concealer, and of course I have to put my eyebrows on because not only does the your eyelashes tend to thin as we get older, but eyebrows do as well. And this is PrimeLash mascara. It's a lengthening and volumizing mascara. I just took it, literally took it out of the box. I don't know why they have all this plastic on here. It took me a minute to get it undone. Had to put my glasses on, you know. It says, especially made for mature women of sparse and thin lashes to give them length and volume. Every time you want to look stunning and feel confident, you use it. So let's see what we got. Now, you know I can't use that to put my makeup on. I have to use this. So my little bitty, my go-to mirror here, let's see what happens. I hope it lives up to its promises because I know my eyelashes are very, very thin, and I don't wear a lot of makeup just because I teach so much and I sweat a lot. But when I do put on makeup for special occasions and to go somewhere, I really like to have my eyelashes pop, because you know your eyes are lead into your soul. You can see your soul through your eyes, and you know you want your eyelashes to complement your, not only your makeup but also your eyes. And so far so good. Let's see. I'm going to put a couple coats on. I don't know. I didn't really read to see how many coats I'm supposed to put on, but it is definitely seems to be thickening my lashes, which is a good thing because, like I said, they're getting there. Let's see here. I did not put eyeliner on. I usually wear eyeliner, but I wanted to really emphasize the eyelashes here. Many times I do not do my lower eyelashes because depending on how much makeup you wear, if you put too much mascara, yeah, they're definitely working. If you put too much mascara on your lower lashes, it tends to make your eyes look smaller. And that's something that we have to deal with as we get older. So a lot of times, just leaving the mascara off the bottom lashes will have your eyes looking bigger and brighter. So today I am not going to do my lower eyelashes. Just going to focus on my upper eyelashes. I really like this. This is really nice. It's doing everything it promised to do. It's Prime Causemetics, Prime Causemetics, Causemetics. And like I said, I love that there's a cause behind this, near and dear to my heart. My seniors, although I am a senior, my seniors are what keeps me moving. I have women in my classes and my online clients in their 70s, 80s, and beyond doing yoga with me. And it's all about empowering us as we age. All right, I have to say, I'm going to stop there because this video can go on forever. Look, and if you notice, I did not do my lower lashes. So you see how the eyelashes are popping and my eyes look big and bright? Definitely, definitely a winner. I'm going to throw away the rest of my mascara. Let me show you this up front. This is the tube. Okay. This is the box it came in. All right. I'm going to post this up on my Instagram. Actually, I don't know why I'm putting that back in the box, because I'm going to keep it out and use it and get rid of my other mascara. So if you have any questions, let me know. PrimeCausmetics.com, PrimeCausmetics.com. And that's it. Definitely a winner. I'll chat with you soon. Denise out.